Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo. Today's video is all about an unboxing. I got a package from my friends over at BeeBeeCraft, and there's a lot of really fun goodies in there. I will have to say I was a little disappointed that things got, I don't know, it looked like somebody took a knife to this or something. So who knows what happened, but fortunately it was wrapped up pretty good inside. So let me open this up and let's see what is inside. All right, took it out of the mailer, and then we have this bubble wrap. It's like a sack that they always use. And we've got some really fun goodies here and some projects that I plan to do with all this fun stuff. So we got lots of beads, charms, more charms. Woo-hoo-hoo. Woo-hoo-hoo. More stuff. All right. So the first thing we're going to look at are these beads. And they are transparent crackle baking painted glass beads. They were calling them a light blue. They're not a light blue. I mean, if I look at them, maybe I can pretend there's a little hint of blue in there. But they're definitely not the light blue that was shown in the picture. These are 8 millimeters. I don't know how many strands are here. There is a lot. And you know, actually, I'm okay. I mean, when I ordered these and I saw these really pretty beads, I was like, oh, this doesn't really go with anything else I'm ordering, the blue, but these do. So let's see how many, I forgot how many strands are here. Let's see, it's 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There's a lot. I was thinking there were 20. Okay, hang on a second. Okay, yes, there are 20 strands. And these are pretty big strands. That is a huge strand. These next things are a 20-piece light gold alloy enamel charm. I've had my eyeballs on these for quite some time. Here, let me zoom in a little bit. They're little jewels. And I actually have a granddaughter whose name is Crystal Jewel. So she's definitely going to be getting something made with these. I had her in mind when I requested these. And like I said, there are 20 pieces. And they are a light gold alloy enamel charms. These next things are from Craft. I think that's how you say that. 120-piece skeleton head beads made from resin. Aren't these fun? These are going to be so fun for Halloween. Ooh, look at that. There's the hole. We have blue. Actually, we have a light blue. I think this is purple here. Whoop. That's more of a royal blue, I guess, because we do have these purple ones. And then we have pink and green. And these aren't just for Halloween. We have red. I know a lot of people that like to wear skeletons all year long. Orange. White. And yellow. Oh, and now so we have pink. We have two kinds of pink. We have a dark pink and a light pink. Oh, and then we have two greens too. We have like a lime green and a regular green. My sister Tammy Pally at BeeBeeCraft Dolls and I are actually hosting a challenge in September of 2024 with our Blythe dolls. And the theme is grunge. So these would be really fun. Oh, there's black in there too. These would really be fun to make some grunge jewelry with. Oh, and by the way, if you're interested in joining us, it's free to join. You just have to hop on over to our Blythe Doll Buddies Facebook page and join. And there'll be information over there about it. And also, I'll leave a link down in the description box to that Facebook page and to my sister's YouTube channel, where her and I have gotten together and explained exactly what this challenge is. It's the Virtual Blythe Retreat Taster. All right, let's go on to the next thing. I'm gonna get these out because these would also be good for that challenge. They are, let's see, it's Panda Hall Elite. There's 100-piece skull charms in here, like a cross and skull. Let me get something sharp to open this, and I'll be right back. All right, got this all open. Okay. Look at all of them. Aren't these fun? I'm in a Ziploc baggie in this really nice container where I can continue to store them. And once I'm done with them, I can store other things in there. But look, these are a nice size. They would make a really good pendant. Just put a little jump ring in there and hang it on a chain. Wouldn't that be fun? You could take one of these beads actually and put it on the top there and then hang it from a chain. These also are very pirate if you're interested in doing pirate jewelry. This next thing I'm going to show you are actually bead tips. They're from Honey Handy. They're antique bronze and they are nickel free, and I use these all the time. And a lot of times these things have right here, they'll have like a hook. These have a loop, so these are going to be a lot more secure. But whenever I make necklaces or bracelets, and some earrings that I've made, I will tie 2 knots. Instead of using a crimp bead, I use these and I tie 2 knots and feed them into there and close that up. And they're very, very secure. And a lot of times they're known as clamshell bead caps or bead tips. They are calling these bead tips though at BeeBeeCraft. And there are 500 pieces in here. I think that's what it said. Yep, 500. So that'll keep me going for a while. These next things I'm going to open up are, see, they are from Panda Hall Elite. There's 60 pieces, 4 colors. They're Tibetan compass pendant charms. These would be good pirate jewelry too. Let me open them up here. Again, they come in a really nice box. I do a lot of traveling, and this box would really be nice to put some of my findings in when I do travel. I never go anywhere without my jewelry making stuff. Anyway, we have a silver compass. We have an antique bronze. So you've got the north, south, east, and west on there. And we have the bronze here. This is more of an, this is like antique bronze, and this isn't a shiny bronze. I like this gold. I guess maybe it's antique gold, and this is more bronze. So those are the 3 colors we have. These would be fantastic just to hang on a chain also, or you can embellish it with a little bead at the top. I will definitely be doing videos on jewelry making with all of this stuff I've received. So this last thing I'm going to show you, I'll just dump them all out here. Again, they come in a nice little container. And these they're calling Sunny Clue box 60-piece antique bronze filigree floral embellishments. And there's a number of things you can use these for. You can use them for jewelry making. You can use them in scrapbooking. Isn't that pretty? You put like a little glue a bead there, or wire a bead there, and maybe put it on a scrapbook page or a journal page, or make an earring out of it or a necklace. There's a lot of different patterns here. The reason I got them, so lately I've been making a lot of key jewelry, and these are already made into something, but I like to paint old keys. I actually inherited some keys that my dad had. This right here is the type of thing I'm making right now, but I just take the keys and I can clean them up, and then maybe just glue them on one of these. And let's see, I think there's, maybe I could even glue that on there, or just glue that on there. Maybe I can use these as wings somehow. Let's see, where's the other side? Anyway, that's basically why I got these. So I'm sure I'm going to be making some key jewelry with them. But let's look at all the different patterns we have here. These are really nice little corners. You could put them on the corner of a page, like if you were scrapbooking or you wanted to embellish a journal page or something. This too is, look at that, isn't that pretty? I really like these. Those would make a fun earring. Very light too. Let's see, what other, I have a lot of these. So anyway, stay tuned for some videos on me making stuff with all this fun stuff I got from BeeBeeCraft. I'll leave a link down in the description box below to BeeBeeCraft along with a coupon code. And I'll leave links to each of these things that I got. So all you have to do is click on them if you're interested in any of these, or go shop around. They've got some fun things over there. I'd like to thank y'all for joining me, and you have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.